Hello, good afternoon my dear students. Welcome to one more amazing session from Infinity Learn. Welcome to NEET most expected questions, 1000 most expected questions from Infinity Learn. How are you all doing? Can you all able to hear me? Please confirm, put a thumbs up and fire emoji in the chat box. And this is Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry for you. Today I am going to present you Alkenes NEET most expected questions part 2. In this scenario, I just want to discuss part 1 is completed in the long back, and we had a great discussion about all various types of questions. So far we already completed NEET NCERT Express, and in that we completed line by line from NCERT textbook and a very good manner, and students regularly attended the class and they acquired very good amount of subject. And now what happened, when the students are requesting me, they are very good at subject. When they are striking a question, they are facing a difficulty. To avoid that, and we designed this NEET most expected questions. So my dear students, let us see Alkenes NEET most expected questions. Mind it, when you are good at hydrocarbons, I can say near about 35% of 35% of organic chemistry is in your hand. So today we made a very good number of questions. So take a pen and paper and solve along with me, and we are going to do the best. All the students, and before going for the session, I just want to say oath of the day. Every day is single oath, that is a crack NEET examinations. For that, you study well and prepare well, and take a pen and paper and do the questions along with us, so that you are going to get the boost up and the confidence in the sessions, okay, and you will be the best for your NEET performance. And please like the session, share with your friends, and subscribe to Infinity Learn NEET YouTube channel. My dear students, here ASU test prep with Infinity Learn, whatever the competitive examinations you are preparing, it is simple. In the Google App Store, it is there, Infinity Learn app, and you can have Infinity Learn app live classes, mock test, and create your own test, and 24/7 doubt resolution sessions. It's completely free of cost. You can download it and you can do it. And last but not least, Infinity Learn is providing NEET 2025 All India Test Series pack, where you can see whenever you are preparing for an examination, it is required to know where exactly you stand, where you are good, and where you need to improve. For that, NEET test series is given, scientifically designed by the eminent faculties from the Infinity Learn content department, and which contain here 27 EITs, in that 13 unit tests, 4 part test and grant test, and it is completely based on NEET syllabus, and 20 online NEET full syllabus mock test, and 25 NEET topic wise previous year questions, and 3 physics chemistry books with video solutions on the app, my dear students, and detailed solutions for our performance benchmark with Sri Chaitanya students for every test. And this cost, it is around 5,999, and when you apply YouTube 50 coupon code, the cost comes to be 50% off. It's a special discount. It comes to be 2,999. While at everybody, you can just click it, and description box and the pinned messages, it is there. You can click it and you can enjoy it. Okay, my dear students, let's start the questions without any delay. So formalities are completed. Let's say, Altamash, good afternoon. So almost 10 days I couldn't see you. How are you, Altamash? Come on, let's see the question of the day. A gas formed by the action of alcoholic KOH on ethyl iodide, okay, decolorizes alkaline KMnO4, and the gas is. So these are the kind of questions that you can expect from the NEET examination. So who is going to give the answer? Those who are in the live session, you all just give answer either A, B, C, D. Anyways, I am going to solve this question and I will give you the correct answer. So please check whether this answer matches with you or not. Come on, Altamash, your answer is waited. Come on. This question takes at least 30 seconds. So it's a practice session, you can take it. Whenever you want to say 4, C to H4, wonderful beta. and Abhishek Raj D. Okay, now an alkane, it is treated with KOH, ethyl iodide. So in this ethyl iodide you can see CH3 and CH2 and iodine. When it is treated with the potassium hydroxide in alcoholic, and elimination takes place, dehydrogenation takes place, so that you are going to get CH2 double bond CH2, and this gives rise a gas. This is gas. So this can react with KMNO for alkaline. You are going to get CH2OH ethylene glycol. It decolorizes alkaline KMNO4. This test is called Bayer's test. It is actually pink in color. Pink color is decolorized by any unsaturated compound. So it is supposed to be ethene. It is supposed to be ethene, C2H4. The answer is going to be C2H4. Whatever the answer you have given, option D is correct. Altamash and Abhishek and Rasul, it is not A, it is D. Okay, the answer for this question is going to be here D. Any doubt? Who am I? Dehydrogenation, alkylated is the elimination process. Exactly. Dehydrohalogenation, dehydration are going to be elimination process. Any doubt? Now, by using this chart box, my dear students, you can ask any kind of doubts related to the subject. Every doubt is going to be clarified. Okay. Next question, my dear students. Here it is going to be propine react with HCl to give. So whenever it is given HCl or whatever, so you can take excess. Unless it is mentioned it is 1 equivalent or 2 equivalent. Make it fast, make it fast. What is the answer for this question, my dear students? What is the answer for this question? Answer, waiting for your answer. Dear children, CH3, C triple bond, CH, it is an alkyne. Whenever it is treated with HCl, okay, you are going to add this as a according to Markovnikov rule, CH3Cl, okay, double bond, it is going to be CH2. Right, you want to say B, Abhishek? Okay, now let us add one more HCl, still double bond, a pi bond is left, so that it is going to be CH3C, Cl and Cl and CH3. This IUPAC name of the compound is going to be Altamash, you want to say? So 2, 2 dichloropropane. क्वेश्चन आसान ही दिखता है, आंसर भी आसान है, इस्तेमाल करना गलत बन सकते है ना. सो none of the answers matches here. Altamash and Abhishek Raj. Okay, Nabil. Now the answer for this question is going to be B, 1 and 1. It is A. It is going to be A. Fine. Next, aqueous solution of an organic compound A and electrolysis gives acetylene and CO tetraanode. The compound A is. The compound A is. Abhishek Raj, waiting for your answer. I am just following your chart box, and your answers also encouraged and interaction is also encouraged. My dear children, come on, what is your answer? Let us see a compound here, CH double bond CH and COOK. This is a potassium salt of malic acid, potassium malate. On electrolysis, you can say H plus and OH minus. Carefully observe what exactly happened. A simple trick I just want to give you to undergo Kolbe's electrolysis. In this Kolbe's electrolysis, K plus and OH minus gives rise to KOH plus, and you have H plus and H plus gives rise to hydrogen gas at cathode. Plus you have CO2 and CO2 at anode, and you have a bond is shifted here, so that is acetylene is formed. So CH triple bond CH, acetylene is formed, and these two are formed at anode. So to make this acetylene and CO2 at anode, you need to have potassium malate. You need to have potassium malate. The answer for this question is going to be D. So this is the simple and the best trick to understand Kolbe electrolysis. This is what you say Kolbe's electrolysis. Kolbe's electrolysis. Got it? Next question. Everybody, you need not have to delete your messages. Let it be. Nobody is going to bother about it. But whenever you have given wrong answer, if that answer is corrected, you just make a note in your notebook, right? And in the mind as well. Rasul. Next, cyclohexene on reaction with OSO4 followed by the reaction with NaHSO3. What is the answer for this question? What is the answer for this question? Cyclohexene on reaction with OSO4 followed by the reaction with NaHSO3 gives. What is cyclohexene? This is your cyclohexene. Children, this is your cyclohexene. Whenever it is treated with OSO4 followed by NaHSO3, you are going to see the formation of a cis diol. A cis diol, you got it. So it is a syn addition. It is a syn addition. You can also use for this KMnO4 in the cold condition in the alkaline medium. Cold condition means you can assume a room temperature for this. And I have one more thing for you, my dear children. Follow this. Follow this. You want to do with any peroxo acid followed by hydrolysis. It could be alkaline hydrolysis or acidic hydrolysis. So the peroxo acid can be peroxoacetic acid, peroxoformic acid, peroxobenzoic acid, and metachloroperoxobenzoic acid, popularly known as MCPBA. First it forms an epoxide, and this epoxide is further hydrolyzed to give rise a transalkene. It is going to give a transalkene. A transdiol. So you are going to get a trans. So this question is talking about OSO4. So whenever it is OSO4, you are going to get cis diol is the answer for this question. My answer is going to be here answer B, not answer A. It is going to be answer A. It is going to be answer A. Got it? It is a cis diol. Any doubt? Wonderful to see. There are so many students online, but only 3-4 students are going to be giving the answers. I request all the students to please follow this class and follow the answers as well, and use the chart box to give the correct answers. Next question. And Al4C3 on hydrolysis gives. Any metal carbide on hydrolysis gives its corresponding hydrocarbons. So you see Al4C3 on hydrolysis gives rise, it is going to give rise aluminum hydroxide, and it is going to be methane gas. So make it 3 over here, make it 4 over here, so that make it 12 over here. So methane gas is formed. So my answer for this question is going to be B. Simple now. So whenever we prepare a question, we have to prepare in such a way that we connect with the NCERT in all dimensions. Any doubt? Next, one more question. Which of the following reagent can distinguish between 1-butane and 2-butane? 1-butane and 2-butane. Which of the following reagent? So what is 1-butane and 2-butane? So CH3, CH2 and C triple bond CH. This is 1-butane, and CH3 and C triple bond CH3. This is 2-butane. Okay. So how do you distinguish this? How do you distinguish this? And double bond, triple bond is there at the end of the chain. So this is terminal alkyne. This terminal alkyne, so the hydrogen present in this terminal alkyne is acidic in nature, so that it can be reacted with any bases or anything which can react with an acidic hydrogen, like ammonical silver nitrate. If you use ammonical silver nitrate, so if you use ammonical silver nitrate, there is no reaction, rather it is going to give you its product like this, CH3 and CH2 and C triple bond C and Ag plus. So you can say silver acetylide is formed. Silver acetylide is formed. Okay, it is going to be a black precipitate. So observation of the black precipitate can confirm this, whereas this do not react with this. So the answer for this question is going to be ammonical silver nitrate. Option D is the correct answer for this question. Dear children, any doubts you please raise so that we can have a kind of discussion with that. Next question. Yes. Ready for this? Here 300 more students are there in the class, so please follow in the discussion. In hydrocarbon, C5H10 do not react with Br2 in light but gives only one monobrominated product when reacted with Br2 in light. So the hydrocarbon is, it's a super awesome question, Altamash. Super awesome question, expecting answer from you, everybody. What could be the answer? So when you talk about this, C5H10. I can have various types of isomers, CH3, CH2, CH2 and CH double bond CH2 or otherwise CH3, CH2, CH double bond CH2, whatever various alkenes that can be formed. And also this is C5H10. I can also say this one cyclopentane. Now this do not react with Cl2 in the dark. Do not react. If you take Cl2 in the dark, it will react. है ना? It said that do not react. So we have to come in this. Right? And this can also be like this. Right? Of course, this is not the answer. And when you talk about this, only one monochloro derivatives, when cyclopentane react with Cl2 in the presence of Br2 in the presence of light. Cl2 Br2 दोनों बराबर हैं. So you need not have to worry about this. So let us make it a Br2 in the presence of light. Okay, you are going to get only one monobromo derivative. So I just want to say it is cyclopentane is the answer for this question. Cyclopentane is the answer for this question. So Abhishek Raj has given the answer correct. Congratulations. Of course, this question is given in the NCERT textbook, my dear children. Next, when a methyl iodide reheat with sodium in ethereal solution, it gives answer. What is ethereal solution? Ether, dry ether as a solvent. Abhishek Raj. So, methyl iodide CH3I is reacted with sodium metal CH3I in the presence of sodium metal. So it is going to give you dry ether as a solvent. Could somebody tell me what is the name of the reaction? CH3 plus 2NaI. What is the name of the reaction? Nandu, hello, how are you? After a long gap, Nandu. I still remember every student. However, it is my live class in the YouTube platform or online class, offline class, whatever. I remember every student. Okay. This is known as Wurtz reaction. Wurtz reaction, right? ये Wurtz reaction करने के लिए alkyl iodide is more reactive than alkyl bromide is more reactive than alkyl chloride is more reactive than alkyl fluoride. Alkyl fluoride Wurtz reaction में involve करते ही नहीं. Primary alkyl halide is more reactive than secondary than tertiary. Tertiary alkyl halide do not react. Right? Now the answer is going to be ethane. Answer is going to be B, ethane. Good afternoon, Maunika. How are you? I am fine, thank you. I miss you almost a weekdays. Okay. How about your preparation and how about your confidence level, Maunika? Sakshi, Good afternoon, Sakshi. Come on, next. 2-methyl pentene on ozonolysis gives what is the product? Everybody take a pen and paper, Nandu. Two methyl pentene, so this is a CH3, CH2, CH double bond, this is 2-methyl pentene. So when you go for Nanda, I am fine. On ozonolysis, simple trick, simply break the double bond and make it as a carbonyl group. So that what happen? Simply break this. On ozonolysis, you are going to see. मान लो ये reductive ozonolysis है. It is going to give you CH3, CH2, CH2, C double bond O and CH3, and it is going to be C double bond O and H and H. Pent 1 in pentene 2, okay, make it pentene 2, okay, pentene 2. Let us 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 2 pentene 2 methyl, right? 2 methyl pentene 2. Now on ozonolysis, you are going to break this here, and you will be having 1 2 3, right? Here it is going to be CHO plus here it is going to be propanol, this is acetone, this is acetone. So that propanol and propanone and propanol. So you need not have to write 2 over here. So it is going to be propanol and propanone. Option D is the correct answer for this question. Everybody is doing good. Maunika, Nandu, you are busy, that's why not coming for the classes because of my board examinations. No worry dear. So board examination alag method hai. Okay. So don't miss our class. So I promise my classes will be on a regular basis. I just took a couple of days break for that. You please don't worry. Okay, no worries Nandu, Maunika, Abhishek. Okay, fine. Next. और एक क्वेश्चन है, और एक क्वेश्चन 2-hexene gives trans to hexene on treatment with, yeah, answer B, 2-hexene trans, you want to get it. Okay, I'll tell you. R C triple bond C R dash, when it is treated with PD PaSO4 and quinoline, and you can go with liquid ammonia in sodium metal or lithium metal, you are going to see the formation of a trans alkene. Here it is going to be a cis alkene. द क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं आपका ट्रांस अल्कीन मिलना है, सो फॉर दैट यू नीड टू हैव लिक्विड इन lithium in liquid ammonia. Answer is going to be A is the correct answer. So students got very good answer for here. Fine, wonderful. So this is very important. It is a syn addition and it is a trans addition. So take a pen and paper and you can write this as well. दिखाई दे रहा है क्या अभिषेक? No worries. Okay, next question. Ready for that? Dear children, next question. Anti-addition you can say. Product is trans. जब trans product मिलेगा ना, anti-addition आता है. ठीक है? Hi Suresh Kumar. Hello. Next, 1-butane reaction with hot KMnO4. Hot KMnO4. So the answer comes to be 1-butane CH3 CH2 C triple bond CH. Whenever you use hot KMnO4, it is a superoxidizing agent. So what happened? You have to break this bond over here. Okay, जो भी ये CH है ना, ये CO2 बनेगा. This become as a CO2 and this become as a propanoic acid CH3 CH2 and COOH carbon carrying का part multiple bond is going to become carboxylic acid. So that CH3 CH2 COOH and it is going to be HCOOH actually, that is going to be oxidized to CO2 and water. My answer for this question is going to be option 2 is the correct answer. Option 2 is the correct answer. So option B. Nandu, actually formic acid is only formed. This formic acid is going to be decomposed to CO2 and H2 because it is a hot condition. It is in a hot condition. Oxidation is going to be so vigorous so that formic acid cannot be stabilized. It will be automatically oxidized. Dear children, one more question. Which of the following is a prominent product in the reaction of HOBr with propane? It is a super question. Super question. Who will give the answer for this? Answer? Monica? Two butane. How? Nando? Let's see. Propene. CH3 CH double bond CH2. This is a propene. HOBr. Surprisingly, HOBr is going to be OH minus and Br plus. So apply Markovnikov rule. When you apply Markovnikov rule, it goes here so that it will be a product like this. So CH3 CH OH and CH2 Br. Apply Markovnikov rule. Negative part of the reagent attaches to the carbon of double bond which bears the least number of hydrogen. So that my answer is going to be 1 bromo 2 propanol. So surprisingly this is the answer for this question. Any doubt? Any doubt, or you want me to give the mechanism for this? No, it's not like a SP or SP2. Deepika Shri, okay, OH should attach to the SP2 carbon, right? In alkene, these two carbons are SP2, Deepika. So that actually when you talk about this mechanism over here, look at this. CH3, CH double bond, CH2. It is an electrophilic addition reaction. Br plus is going to be an electrophile. When Br plus is an electrophile, it attacks over here, so that you are going to get the most stable carbocation like this, CH3, CH plus and CH2Br. So the next, this is the stable carbocation. If bromine attaches here, primary carbocation banega. If bromine attaches here, secondary carbocation banega. You understand, Nandu? I mean, it should be attached to the last carbon. Okay, right. Now this Br minus. So give me a minute, Nandu, don't worry. Hope you understand. Really appreciate it. And you are going to see the formation of CH3 and CH and CH3 and Br, right? Fine. Now let's see one more question. Propane on passing through red hot copper tube forms. It's a good question. Deepika Shri, what happened? Acetylene passed through red hot copper tube. Cyclic polymerization मान लो. So if it is CH triple bond CH on red hot copper tube, you are going to see the formation of benzene like this. If it is a propane, so CH3 C triple bond CH, this is a propane. When it is passed through red hot copper tube, you are going to see the formation of trimethyl substituted benzene. So trimethyl substituted benzene, this is what you say called mesitylene. This is what you say mesitylene. Answer C is the correct answer for this question. Abhishek Raj, none of these guys say this is the mesitylene. Trimethyl benzene. The otherwise 1 comma 3 comma 5 trimethyl benzene. It is commercially known as acetylene, right? Iron, hi iron. Next question, option C here. Next question, when calcium carbide hydrolysis, a gas was obtained. It has a garlic odor due to the poison present as an impurity. The gas was passed through ammoniacal solution of Cu2Cl2. Red PPT was obtained. The gas is Solanki. Nandu, propine. Abhishek A. Deepika Sri D. Ethane is alkane. This ethane do not react with anything because an alkane is a paraffin. You know? So that what exactly happened, calcium carbide on hydrolyzed. It gives rise calcium hydroxide and C2H2 is formed. So it is an alkyne, terminal alkyne. When it is treated with Cu2 Cl2, you are going to see the formation of copper acetylide. It's a red color precipitate. Copper acetylide. Okay, my answer for this question is going to be acetylene. The term ethylene is a trap. Ethylene means C2H4. Acetylene means C2H2, right? Dear children, any doubt? My answer for this question is going to be C. Lucky number मिल गया. Next question. Super. An alkene having a molecular formula C9H89, ozonolysis gives rise to 2-dimethyl propanol and 2-butanone. What could be the answer for this question? Waiting for your answer. Whenever you go for ozonolysis, double bond is broken and its corresponding carbonyl compounds are formed. Whenever corresponding carbonyls are given, you remove the oxygen and join together and make it its corresponding alkane by inserting a double bond in it. That is a simple trick in ozonolysis. So Deepika Sri, come on, what could be the answer? Hi Solanki and Maunika, Abhishek, Nando. Two to 6 trimethyl. Okay. Is there any other answer, Solanki? Now let's make it. 2,2-dimethyl propanol. This is your propanol. And 2-butanone. This is your 2-butanone. So let us remove this oxygens here and directly make a double bond over here. So that what happened here? So CH double bond C and CH3 and CH2 and CH3 and here it is CH3 . Now let us see the IUPAC name of this. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 2 comma 4 trimethyl hexene 3 hexene you can say. Okay, so 2 to 4 trimethyl 3 hexene, answer D. Perfect answer. Deepika Shri given the correct answer. Maunika, Nando, clear beta? The answer is going to be D. So you have to solve it. You have to solve by this method. So always learn methods from me so that you can answer the questions in such a nice way. Next question, give the major product of the following reaction. 3 comma 3 dimethyl 1 butene with HCl. Measure. Make a mechanism. This question can be done by using a proper mechanism, my dear students. Will you do or you want me to do? Nando? Yeah. Now 3 comma 3 dimethyl butadiene CH3 3 comma 3 dimethyl butadiene when it is treated with HCl first, it is an electrophilic addition reaction so that protonation takes place. So let us make the probable more stable carbocation over here, CH3 and CH and CH3 place. Fine. Now this is a secondary carbocation, relatively less stable. So to make it more stable, the carbocation Suresh Kumar can be rearranged. So by using methyl shift over here, so it gives you CH3 plus and CH and CH3. Now this can give Cl minus R say. So it will give you the exact product as CH3 and Cl and CH and CH3 and CH3. So I want to say 2 chloro 2 comma 3 dimethyl butane. So answer B is the correct answer, Maunika and Deepika Shri, Abhishek, Suresh Kumar. I am expecting answer from you. Fine. You love it, enjoyed it. Lovely. Next question please. Let us make it next question. What is the answer for this question? The same way how we did the previous question, like that only you do it, and I want you to give the answer. So during this is an alcohol, when it is concentrated H2SO4 is heated, you are going to get an alkene. So you have to produce a carbocation, rearrange it, and you have to get the relatively stable carbocation, relatively stable alkene. So Deepika, what is the answer for this? So the questions what we are discussing in the class, my dear students, we are all prepared these questions in such a standard meets that NEET examination. So you all learn from us. Definitely our session is going to get a super awesome experience for your seamless NEET examination preparation. My dear student, answer for this question. Ari, will you do or you want me to do? Jaldi, make it fast. Let me do this. Concentrated H2SO4 gives rise Hu plus, and the protonation takes place. So OH is a poor leaving group, and OH2 plus is going to be a better leaving group, so that it is going to lose its water molecule to gives rise its corresponding carbocation. So water molecule is lost and the carbocation is formed. Its rate determining step. This rate determining step forms a carbocation. This carbocation is going to go for its methyl shift from here to here, so that it gives you tertiary carbocation. So this is going to give this tertiary carbocation. So by deprotonation you are going to get a product like this. So my answer for this question is going to be A. My answer for this question is going to be A. Can you believe it, Judah? Yes, given Judah came late and presented late. Okay. No, something you have given. I don't understand that language. Even Maunika and Abhishek Raj, you correct yourself. Okay. Any doubt? Next question. CH3 double bond here. Whenever it is treated with HBr and R2O2, it is a peroxide and it is asking to use Anti-Markovnikov addition. This is a NEET examination preparation class, Judah. As you joined late, you don't know, but organic chemistry is going on, that only you know. Given the correct answer for this, here Anti-Markovnikov addition works for two things: unsymmetrical alkene, that is a criteria number one, and the second one is HBr in the presence of peroxide only. If you want to use HCl, HI, it doesn't work. So whatever the product over here, you are going to see the formation of CH3 and CH double bond CH and CH3. When it is treated with HBr, doesn't matter, you will be getting CH3, CHO2 and CH and CH3 and Br. Now as a new chiral carbon atom is introduced, So it is going to be mixture of plus and minus. It is going to get racemic mixture. You are going to get racemic mixture. So my answer here A. So A, answer is A. Got it? So without wasting our time, I just want to give, it's a rapid fire doubts and rapid fire questions. All NEET meets NEET examination methodologies, and I am spending at least maximum 1 minute for a question. One more question here. What is the answer for this? What is the answer for this? Let's look at here. HCl in the presence of peroxide. If we use a peroxide, it doesn't mean peroxide doesn't work. So that what happens? Nothing will happen. You are going to follow Markovnikov rule. There is no other way. So this is the structure of A. This is the structure of A. We have mock test on the NEET examination as well. Now, when you use ETONA and heat it, it is going to be a base. This base is going to undergo elimination reaction, and it is going to go for the elimination reaction by Seid's rule. Okay, it is a E2 elimination, follow Seid's rule. So the answer for this question is going to be B, not C. It is not a substitution reaction. Elimination reaction is a reaction where an atom or a group are eliminated and a double bond is introduced or multiple bond is introduced. Such reactions are called elimination reactions and opposite to the addition reactions. Fine, dear children, one more question here. Which of the compound will be the major product when this is treated with alcoholic KOH? Whenever it is with alcoholic KOH, it has to be with elimination reaction. Okay, anyways, CH3 twice CH, CH3, CH and CH3 and CH, Br and CH2Br. Whenever it is treated with the potassium hydroxide, so you are going to see the formation of elimination between these two. So that CH3, C, CH3, double bond, okay, and CH, and here elimination is not favorable and it has to be substituted otherwise. So this is going to be the product to give the answer. It is going to be D. So those students who are seriously participating in the NEET examination preparation, you please participate. Okay, otherwise you just leave the class. And HCl and the peroxide. I already mentioned HCl do not have this peroxide effect. HCl do not have the peroxide effect. So that simply CH3, CH double bond CH2, whenever you use HCl, whatever you use peroxide and no use peroxide, simply go with Markovnikov rule. Clear, Monica? Yeah. And this peroxide effect is not working, so that what happened, it is supposed to be electrophilic addition reaction. Okay, let me write this is electrophilic addition reaction, carbocation is formed, right? Very important thing. And tomorrow we'll meet with more stuff in the arenes. Study well and come up with some more number of doubts, my dear children. Yeah, at the end of the show, today we completed the questions that we had, and at the end of the show I just want to give you Infinity Lane is offering NEET 2025 All India Test Series Pack, where you are going to have all these part test and AITS and PYQs and everything, and the cost is around 5,999, and when you apply YouTube 50 off, when you apply YouTube 50 off coupon code, you are going to get it for very cheap, 2,999. Okay, and it's a special discount, 50% off. Okay, Monica and Nandu and Suresh Kumar, please click the link in the pinned messages and you all just pursue it once. Okay, today we are done from our side. Tomorrow we'll meet with more stuff with an arenes and benzene and its derivatives, and we'll meet with more stuff in tomorrow's class. Thank you very much. See you, all the best. Signing off, Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry from Infinity Lane. Bye bye.